No, 1 sec.
So let's go for swimming. ये है हमारा sauna. To start it, I guess you need to push this. Whoa, this is nice and warm. Welcome to my new house here in Sydney, Australia. I'm going to give you a house tour of my house. Okay, today I'm going to give you a house tour and I'm super excited for this video. I wanted to do this video for quite a long time now and I'm finally doing it for you all. I'm going to show my lovely house today, and this is a rented apartment. It's a studio apartment basically, and it is fully furnished, and we took quite a lot of efforts to search this house. Hey guys,
What's up?
this is the first time we're going out independently. I told my aunt we want to explore. She was supposed to drop us and all. That was so sweet.
She's
of
very
her.
nice.
Yeah.
She's very
But we
sweet.
didn't want to trouble her. We
Yes.
understand. There's a washing machine. Yeah, and a wardrobe there also.
Just, you know, the one that you sent to me? Just change her detail, that's it. You know,
हाय गाइस, आज बारिश हो रही है एंड हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं हाउस हंटिंग के लिए. वी हैव फाउंड
ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है घर.
हाँ, हम लोग एक्चुअली हमें ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है.
We need to check it again. कि हमने हम लोग जब गए थे वो अपार्टमेंट देखने, इट इज अ सर्विस अपार्टमेंट. द अपार्टमेंट व्हिच वी सॉ वो इट वाज जस्ट फॉर रिप्रेजेंटेशन पर्पस. तो
हमें फाइनल वाला देखना है एक्चुअल कैसा है हमारा अपार्टमेंट.
Actually, where we are going to stay. So we are going there now.
Yeah. We saw a couple of houses, apartments apart from this house, and we finalized this one. So okay, let's just not blabber anything much. And let me show you. Once you enter the house, on this side you have the toilet, bathroom, and here is a pantry. So let's not go here first because आप पहली बार आ रहे हो. Let's just come inside. वो बाद में देखते हैं. Okay. As soon as you come inside here, this side we have a nice big fridge that we have bought with a lot of Indian stuff inside. And this is our fridge loaded with things. This is a nice frame of us that we got from India. It's not an easy job to hunt a house, and I have made a special video. Here is a link, you can check it out, how to search for an apartment here in Australia. Actually ये table नहीं था, this was kept outside, but the kitchen space you can see is a little small for me to cook things. So we have got the table which was in the balcony, we have got it inside for some more space. So this is over here. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा mess है, but this is my small little kitchen. ठीक है क्योंकि it is a small one. It's okay because हम तो हमारा घर में ही बसाने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. So for 3 months this much kitchen is okay, I can say. And here is the dishwasher. So there are utensils in the dishwasher right now. They are clean. Okay. So even this we have got with the apartment, a kettle and a toaster. We also have a microwave cum oven here. And ample of storage. You can see I have not even kept anything inside. There is storage here as well and here inside as well. Maybe हमें बहुत सारी cutleries भी मिली है. That is one good thing. We have got 2 bowls, ऐसे 3 बड़े plates और 3 छोटे plates. Then we have some glasses, mugs. A quite good thing that we got for you. Here you have a small sink, one more storage area to store things. We have got also a few pots in here. और ये है electric gas. So disadvantage है कि ये सिर्फ 2 ही है burners, but I'm okay with it. 3 months ही रहना है यहाँ पे. ये भी हमारे रूम के साथ आया है. And we have all this cutlery here. और ये सब कुछ हमारे रूम के साथ आया है. यहाँ पे हमें chopping board है मिला है. Then grater और एक brush. Whenever you're looking for an apartment, try not to take the electric one because it gets a lot of scratches and you need to be very careful. And but still there are a few scratches and stains on this that we need to figure out how to clean it. So if you know how to do it, please comment down in the comment section. It is really hard to remove all this. So here is the exhaust and it has a light as well. So when you're cooking you can put it on. So chalte hain is side pe. This side we have our laundry area. It has a nice compartment, काफी बड़ा है compartment. और ये है हमारा washing machine और ये है dryer. ये कपड़े इसमें हम सुखा सकते हैं. और we also have one cabinet here जिसमें है एक iron और थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ कुछ साफ करने के लिए ये भी मिला है बास्केट. वी कैन इवन रिमूव आवर क्लोथ्स एंड देन शिफ्ट इट टू ड्रायर और डू एनीथिंग. और इस्त्री करने के लिए हमें ये बोर्ड भी मिल चुका है. और ये है ब्रूम. As soon as you enter this side, you will see at the right side there is a bed. So this is our bedroom. And here is our study table. Actually it is a dining table but we are using like a study table. And if you come here, this is our lounge area. ये है हमारा सोफा with a coffee table, TV and a phone. और ये है हमारा मंदिर, छोटा सा मंदिर. And here I sit. This is my working space where I spend most of my time currently, and I make videos for you also. This is my space. And we have also got this lampshade which looks so cool, right? I just love this. And also the photo frame which gives a nice artistic look to the whole house. And also that beautiful big mirror out there. It gives a really stylish look to the house. So let's come to the bedroom. This is actually a studio apartment. So hall or bedroom, मतलब rooms नहीं है. So this is our bedroom. And it's a nice king size bed. It's very comfortable. It's super nice. And we have a wardrobe there. It's a mirrored wardrobe. So ये है हमारा mirror door वाला wardrobe. यहाँ पे है बहुत सारा space to keep some clothes and yeah. So ये है यहाँ पे हम hang कर सकते हैं हमारे कपड़े. And two side tables here and with nice lights. And the best part about this house is that it has a lovely balcony. Let me just take you out. It's a beautiful day today. So as soon as you enter, यहाँ पे है टॉयलेट, बाथरूम और यहाँ पे है पैंट्री एरिया. जो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कुछ शॉपिंग किया है, राइस और चावल और आटा बेटा वो सब यहाँ पे रखने वाली हूँ मैं. रखा है ऑलरेडी. सो दिस इज़ माय पैंट्री एरिया एंड यहाँ पे है हमारा टॉयलेट बाथरूम विच इज़ नाइस एंड क्लीन. एंड दिस इज़ मी. सो यहाँ पे मिला है हमें स्टैंडिंग शावर वाला बाथरूम. So guys, we pay around 410 per week for this apartment. It has facilities like swimming pool, then a gym, and it also has a sauna.
That's the best part.
That's the best part. So let's go for swimming.
Gym बंद है.
So आज gym बंद है. So swimming pool is open, so we are planning to go to the pool. It's a little cold today. This is the parking area. Basically, I'm showing you our building today. Our building tour.
So जो स्विमिंग पूल है वो दूसरे बिल्डिंग में है. Since we are going to
different building. By the way, guys, there is sauna also.
आज कोई मूड में है सोना वाना करने. So guys, इधर सोना भी है. I just open this. You can see it's quite warm here. Capacity है to sit. So after the gym you can come and sit here.
So guys, ये है हमारा पूल. देखते हैं पानी कैसा है. It's quite warm. थोड़ा सा गर्म है पानी. ये है हमारा sauna. Whoa, this is nice and warm. rent free also. So I think we got a very good deal. So that's the reason why we went for this apartment, and we love the location also. It is very close to the shopping center where it is so convenient for us to get some groceries, and also it is close to the train station and bus stop as well. This was a small tour of my first house in Australia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what was the best part about this apartment that you love the most, or anything else that you would like to comment. And thank you for watching. So till then, bye and see you in the next one.